Well, it's my turn to get sick. I coughed and coughed and coughed all night at a campground. Not a way to make friends. And we got up in the morning and I went to the ranger station and they called into the nearest town and I got an appointment at a health clinic there. Bicknell, Utah was about an hour's drive away from our camp spot, back the direction we had just come. But it was the only health clinic around the area. And I think I sat in there for about an hour. And the doctor checked me over and said, well, you got bronchitis. And they had a pharmacy right in the doctor's office, and I was able to get my medicine. We went to the Sunglow Restaurant and had a meal and then left to go on the rest of our trip. Our destination was the Goblin State Park, but when we got there, they had no camping spaces available for us, so we had to go on. I had been given antibiotics and cough medicine, and so this night I was finally able to sleep, and so was the rest of the campground. Take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.